Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates, on the occasion of the conquest of Makkah in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, a woman committed larceny. Her tribe rushed towards Hazrat Osama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu so that he might intercede. Urwa says that when Hazrat Osama said something in this regard, the color of the face of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do you talk to me regarding the prescribed punishment of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu?" Hazrat Osama radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, pardon me." In the evening, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up to deliver sermon. So first, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as he Jalla Jalaluhu deserves. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The people prior to you got destroyed because when any person of high rank amongst them committed a theft, they would excuse him, and if a weak person committed a theft, they would execute prescribed punishment to him. By him in whose possession Muhammad's soul stays, if Fatima radiallahu anha, the daughter of Muhammad, steals, I will cut her hand off." Thereafter, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to sever that woman's hand. She later repented well and married, and thus she fulfilled her needs. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha said, "Thereafter that woman would off and on come to see me, and if she would require anything, I would convey her needs to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4304.